Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from your channel Shwiyam Kulshi. Today we're bringing you dessert, and one of our favorite desserts is a banana, kind of like a bread or banana cake with chocolate chip. So let's dig in and start with the ingredient, what we need for this recipe. So we will need like, two bananas. I have here two bananas, but if they are small, you can have three if they're small bananas. Two eggs, pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, but not full, like 1/2 cup of sugar. And again, when it comes to the sugar, be mindful of the sweetness. We have bananas, we have chocolate chips, so it's kind of like, if you feel like it's too much sweet, you can cut a little bit down on the sugar. So it's up to you at the end how much sweet you want it. And we're going to be adding some other things to the cake itself. For the oil, we're going to have like a 1/2 cup, little bit over a 1/2 cup, 150 milliliter of oil, vegetable oil or canola oil. For the flour, we're going to be adding 1 cup of flour. And be mindful, this cake is a little bit on the loose side, like the dough is, or like the mixture is not to be thick. So a good baking flour is very necessary to making this cake successful. So what's next? We need chocolate chips, and for the chocolate chips, I'm just having like the semi-sweet one here, like 1 or 2 tablespoon. Like just to add it to add another extra taste to the banana bread. Usually, as you guys know, for banana bread, we add like Uh, what you call it, raisins, or other dry either almond or other things. For here, it's whatever, like for me and Sarah right now, what we're preparing, whatever is available. So since we have chocolate chips, we decided we're just gonna have it with a banana chocolate chip bread, kind of. So for the bananas, make sure that you don't grind them or to the point they become like a juice or something. We just want to make them like into small pieces, so they don't become like too much loose and then they loosen the mixture by itself. So yeah, just be mindful of that. So it's very, very, very important to make this cake successful, and get like the right texture that we want it to be, just as we have shown you in the beginning of the video how it does look. So we're gonna mix all the ingredients in the mixer, in the cake mixer. And for the baking powder, we're gonna leave it until the end. So all the ingredients, sugar, oil and flour, banana and everything, and eggs and everything, we just all incorporate all the ingredients. And for the baking powder, we will be adding it, as I said, at the end. Okay, just stay tuned, I will get back to you. Okay, here is our mixture and the texture we were like looking for, with all the ingredients. For the pan, we just butter the pan. We're not going to add any flour and everything or anything like that. So you just like I think it's a 9-inch baking or cake pan. So Sarah is pouring all the stuff in the, or all the mixture in the pan. Like I said before, I hope you're gonna try this cake. Very, very delicious. It's kind of like a twist to the banana bread, chocolate one. And it's the banana and the chocolate mixture really, really give it like a good taste. So while we're mixing, or while we're pouring the mixing the cake, or doing that, we've already turned the oven to 325 degree, and getting it ready to have to bake our cake. So it's not 350, just 325. And I know like for people who have like Celsius, it's like 170. So but since we are in the United States, so basically it's Fahrenheit, so it's gonna be like 325 degree. Let it bake. Like let it bake for an hour. So we set like the alarm for an hour, and let it bake for an hour until all the ingredients are cooked and we reach like the color we want, like the brownish color. Yeah, or we use the toothpick to check. I mean, that is like an old-fashioned way of checking the cake, the toothpick. Once the cake has been cooked or baked, so what we do is like what Sarah is doing right now. She's just gonna cover with paper towel, okay, and then after that, covering it with another, like regular towel or clean kitchen towel, and let it sit until, or let it be there until like it's totally cool down. It's just really really cool down, and from there we're gonna move it to our serving plate to show you how does it look. I mean, again, it's up to you. This is our twist on banana bread or banana cake. So we have used chocolate, you can use pecan, you can use walnut, you can use raisin, whatever. And then again, we have just used like 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. You can add more than that. You can even add caramel if you want to add to that. But you know what? I think with this way, it's still like, like on the healthy side. The brown color is not a burning color, but that is like what banana does, like to, like banana bread or banana cake. It's like it's kind of like darken anything that's added to it. And as Sarah shown you right now, the texture of it is very fluffy, and it's really really look really good. Tastes really good too. I hope you guys gonna try this cake, and like try it and give us feedback. How do you like it? How did it turn down? Do you like the taste or like the twist of the chocolate on it, or you're more of like traditional, like pecan or walnut or raisin? You kind of like banana bread person. We have like the same video in Arabic for the people, for the Arabic speaking people. So if they want to see it, if they have a little bit difficulty with English, they can go and try to listen to the Arabic video one. Hope you like this cake, and inshallah, or like see you soon in another video with with the Hiba and Sarah and شوية من كل شيء. Today, as we have served you, it's banana chocolate bread. Take care and bye.